X750H 75-inch. There's never been better time to buy the TV. The industry has worked most of the bugs out of the LCD and OLED TVs, and today's prices are lower than ever. In fact, high-end 4K models cost about half of what they did last year. Sony is one of the most trusted brands in electronics, so it's no surprise that their TVs are some of the best on the market. The Sony X750H is the decent budget 4K TV. It's a significant shift from its predecessor as it has a VA panel this time around to provide a significantly better darkroom viewing experience. Its response time is decent and input lag is lower. However, the refresh rate is limited to 60 Hz and it doesn't support variable refresh rate technology to reduce screen tearing. Unfortunately, its narrow viewing angle makes it less ideal for wide sitting areas, and some screen uniformity issues can be distracting. It gets reasonably bright to fight glare and not bright enough to make highlights pop in HDR content. On the upside, the Android TV interface is easy to use, has tons of apps and voice control through Google Assistant. So grab the Sony Smart TV for yourself and your family for daily entertainment and family time. For more details and buying guide, please visit the link on the description below.